Here we go. Okay, we are on number 11 in today's worksheet, which is System of Equations Review, because there's a system of two equations. I'm going to pause for a moment while I write these two down. One of these two is not solved for y. Yes? The one below is not solved for y. It needs to be. So we're going to start with that. So AG. How do I get y alone on this equation? What do I got to do first? Minus what? Minus 2x is correct. Go ahead and do that, everybody. All right, so you have y equals negative 2x plus 9. Okay, good. So now I've got this one, solve for y, and I got this one, solve for y. And now you're ready to graph them. So let's get started graphing them. Mr. CF, tell me how to do this one. And don't start with the slope, please. Everybody starts with the slope. What should you start with? The 3. It's the what? Y-intercept is correct. We are going to go to up 3 right there and put a dot. Now tell me where to go from there, CF. Down 1 and over 2. Excellent. And put a dot there. Boom, right? All you really need is 2, but ideally, I've told you it's best to have 3. So you go down 1 and over 2 again, and then you can draw a line through it. There we go. You graphed the first one. All right, you seem to be pretty sharp today, so tell me how to graph that second one. This one right here. Where do I start? Yep. So I'm going to go up to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you put a dot there. And then what?
And then you go down 2 over 1.
Perfect. Down 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1. And I think it hits right there. Now, you can tell I don't have graph paper up here right now, so it's harder for me to tell than for you to tell. But this spot where they hit, kind of right above the y-axis. Did you get that too? Seems believable. Can anybody else verify that that's 4-1 or is it 5-1? I can't tell.
Over 4, up 1.
Awesome. 4, comma 1. Ah! You're right. That's it. So that's the solution. You just have to graph the two lines, see where they cross. I think these are the easy kind. All right. We're going to save some of those for later. We're doing 11 for now. And for tonight, I'm just going to have you circle number 12. I want you to do number 12 tonight. That's not your only homework. That's on that page. I want you to do number 12. Okay, next, flip it to number 14. Everybody get to problem 14. 2x minus 3y equals 3, and x plus y equals 14. If the teacher had been nice and set this up so that something would eliminate right away, it would have been a lot easier. But that's not how the test is going to be. So we might as well get used to this. So, KM. That's you. What do you think, which one should get multiplied? The top one or the bottom one? The bottom one, because it's got smaller numbers. And then what should it get multiplied by? Negative 2 would work. Now, just so you know, negative 2 isn't the only thing that could have got picked. You could have multiplied everything by 3, and you get how that would have fixed this. You could have multiplied by either negative 2 or positive 3. And honestly, positive 3 would have been a little easier because it wouldn't have had negatives. But it's okay. You can do it either way you want. All right, these two will cancel. And now I have negative 5y equals, and oh, wait a minute, I never actually multiplied that out. Negative 2 times 14 makes negative 28. And positive 3, negative 28 and positive 3 makes negative, because the negative team wins because there's more players on that team. Negative what? Help me out. Negative 25. Thank you. You are right. And then we can finish this off. Are you with this so far? Stay caught up. Stay caught up. I multiplied everything by -2 first. And then this canceled. Right here, these canceled. So, Mr. WT, tell me what to do to solve this guy for y. Get y alone for me.
Yeah, +5.
Everybody thinks that because they see the -5, but divide it is correct. But not by divide by 5. It's close. -5 is correct. Good. Okay. Y equals, shh. I asked him to talk. That's why he's talking. You be quiet. All right. Shh. Okay. Yes, you did actually, but now you're being insulting, and that's not appreciated. Okay. So -25 divided by -5. Negative divided by a negative. 2 times 5 makes 25? I don't think so. It is positive, and it is 5. Now you've got it. There you go. Y equals 5. Yes, sir. Nope. You got to get caught up on this problem. Then I'll probably say yes. I want to reward not being caught up with being able to leave. As soon as you're caught up, let me know. Okay, now I'll check that. Okay, Mr. KA, tell me how to get y equals 5 to turn into another answer somehow. Because I can't just stop right there. I got to figure out what x is. What do I do? Nope, y is 5. So put 5 in for y. There you go. That's it. I'm going to rewrite this guy right here because it's a little bit messy. 2x minus 3y equals 3, and I replace the y with a 5. So right in there, I have a 5. Now, I have 2x minus 15 equals 3. Add 15 to both sides. 2x equals 18. And I know you can all finish it from there. All right, so there's a reminder of how to use elimination. So that's that section. And in that section, I'd like you to do problems 15 and 17. So you guys should circle 15 and circle 17. Then turn to the very back page of it and find problem 25. Can somebody read it to her? 15, was it? What else today? 15 and 17? Okay, there's 15 and 17 that I asked you to do on that page. Now we're going to problem 25. On problem 25, that says solve using substitution. I'm going to pause for a second while I write the problem down. Okay. All right, so here we go. X equals -3. It's just screaming to me, hey, go put that in for X. And it's saying, put it in here. X is -3. It goes right there. So 3 times -3 minus 4 equals -37. It's kind of a long equation, but it's, I have missing a y. Sorry, there's my y. Sorry, there we go. For y. There. Now I have -9 minus 4y equals -37. Welcome to the big leagues. These are hard. I think, honestly, this is the hardest kind, is substitution. Okay. If we're trying to get the y alone, I got to get rid of the -9 and the -4. Which one should be first? You think you're good at these. What do you think we should do first? Add 9 is correct. Excellent. -4y equals negative, ooh, that one's tough. -28. Yep. Cool. Finish it off. Final answer. To get the final answer, we have to divide by -4. We were adding 9 on purpose. Oh, like, why was it negative? Because we had 3 times -3 made -9. We didn't add -9, we added +9. Because -9 and +9, do you just look at these two? Just these two. See how they're opposites? All right. So we added 9 to both sides. Final answer, negative and a negative makes it positive. 6 times 4 is 28, so this must be +6. But once again, you're not done. You got y, but you don't have x. So now I gotta go stick the y back in somewhere else. Like, can't go in here because that's an x. So I guess I have to put it in that equation. So I'll write it over here. 3x minus 4. And instead of y, I'm going to put what I know it is. Y is 6. Equals -37. There's your equation. It's solved. I know it's got like 3 steps left. So that's what makes these tough. That's all I got for you for today.